Hi everybody, my name is Tabs and I work for Link4Life in the Healthy Lifestyles team. So today we are going to make a really nice healthy chicken wrap from last night's chicken. So I've got a wrap here, okay, so I've warmed it through because I like it warm and also it's quite manageable as well. So I've got some shredded chicken here from last night, so can you just see it was just a roast chicken, just a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of vinegar, lemon, roasted it, and I've got a little bit left here, so I'm going to make a wrap. So I've got hummus here as well. So hummus is really healthy for you. It's got lots of protein in chickpeas, good alternative to meat. So you can use you can use cream cheese, you can use tomato sauce, but I like to use it's the hummus because it's got chickpeas in again and it's protein. It's very low in fat, high in fibre, and just bring it for your kids. Maybe have some carrot sticks with it, cucumber sticks. I was quite surprised because my 11-year-old has never had hummus, so tried it a few weeks ago and surprisingly he liked it. So we've got hummus on there. Like I said, you can have anything on there. I've got lots of rocket on there, spinach and lettuce, some peppers, anything that you've got in the fridge, red onions, cucumber, grated carrot, anything like that. So this is a chicken again. I've warmed it through, but make sure it is piping hot, okay, or if you prefer it cold then that's fine. So we're just gonna add, and these are really filling. It's got your veg on, it's got your protein and your carbs from the wrap, and then I've got some mozzarella here. I love mozzarella cheese, so I'm just going to sprinkle that over like that. Okay, so a lot of people do not know how to wrap this, so I should have cut the peppers really small, but never mind. So I'm going to both the sides like that, fold it over and hold it quite tight, and there you go. Okay, what I like to do with mine as well is just put it back on the pan like that. Okay, just like a little panini. Okay, so you just press that down, and I just like it to heat through again. So I would cut this as well in the middle or eat it like that. My son's just come from school starving. He's walked it from school, and then I've ended up being late, so he was a bit worried, and then he's walked it all the way back, and then I've seen him on the way, so he was starving, so I've made him a really quick chicken wrap. So anything really. You can have leftover tuna in there, you can have chicken in there, you can have your mince in there, or you can just have lots of vegetables where you just roast them on the pan or on the griddle, and I think cheese makes a big difference as well. So anything with cheese in the kids love. Okay, so that's it really. Okay, so we'll have more for you as well this week. If you do have any suggestions, then just leave a comment. Okay, bye bye.